Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Premium. This one has the 6-speed manual, made it to the 2-liter boxer 4-cylinder. Yep. Colors on this one, magnetite gray metallic over black. Total price at $24,345. Man, Subaru's killing it. Not bad at all. I really do applaud Subaru for keeping the manual in these. Every other crossover I know of, small crossover like this, there's no manual option. Never was in the cards. This one has a manual. Thank you, Subaru. Awesome. All right. I love this thing. Just stepped out of the 2.5 liter CVT, so the 2 liter is down on power a little bit. But it's not awful. It's not unbearable, and the manual does make it a good amount of fun. More fun than it has any right to be. See, I mean, perfectly fine. Now we can try out the power here. Or not. You do have to dig for the power. It's not a turbo. It doesn't have a ton of low down torque. But you know what? You can make it work. Handling wise, it's not bad. Not an STI, although that would be awesome if they did an STI version of this with the turbo. Turbo 2.5. You know the 2.5 can fit in these because they just did it. So they can absolutely make a turbo version. Just a matter of where to place the intercoolers and stuff. was matted. So once you get up in the upper RPMs, it definitely starts to move along pretty well. You just kind of have to bring out the motor in order to get your power. It's kind of like the BRZ. It likes to be in the upper power band, upper RPMs. There's a little bit of a torque dip around 3,500 RPM, and then right after that it picks right back up. But no, honestly, as a daily driver, as a car, you know, little crossover, if I had to choose one, it'd be the Crosstrek with the manual. I'm not sure if you can get the 2.5 with the manual, but that would be the way I would go. If not, the 2-liter with this manual is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.